Hello everyone! So, andito po tayo sa church ko po. So, ito po yung loob ng church. Simbahan po ito. Ng Santa Teresa and the Holy Church. And the Holy Spirit pala po. Ito po ang kanyang taas. May mga paintings.
Yan lang.
Malapit sa Dolphin Island. So guys, ito po si Senior Santo Niño. Ito po yung mga flowers na dinicorate ko. Yan, may mga flowers. Ito ang bell tower.
Filming here is of course prohibited. So guys, we're boarding the plane.
May ladder dito para makakakit ka sa first offering. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob.
Tapos siya dyan, oh.
Saglit lang.
This is as strange a feeling as it gets.
Ito po ang loob ng simbahan po. Binuksan ko lang tong mga pintuan. So, ito po yung loob. Close muna natin to. Ito ang loob. Yan yung altar. Tapos ito yung mga paintings. Ito yung talagang pangalan.
Bawal tourist dyan.
Yan yung mga pangalan.
It'll probably be on the news. They open
Ito yan,
cafes and
oh.
shops especially for one flight.
Tingnan nyo guys. Yan. Ito yung kung saan magsasalita yung pari.
Kasi natakot sila pumunta dyan.
I've arrived as an
Then, dito yung kung saan magbabasa yung isang tao.
Here's the eighth group.
Then, ito yung altar. Eurekist.
Divide us into groups of 15 to 20 people.
Mga tourist
Why
pa.
are we marched like this?
Turista nga, tourist.
Dito yung mga upuan kung saan ka magpe-pray.
The gray one.
The North Koreans are taking away
Then, dito po ang entrance.
in the expensive jackets.
Ito yung old bell, 1560s. Gawa pa po ito noong 1550 hanggang ngayon 2025.
Taking away
So, ito po yung likod ng simbahan.
everyone's passports. And as long as we're on the territory of the DPRK, as I understand it, our passports will not be returned. Each group was assigned 2 escorts.
Yan, dito.
They
Ito,
were
ano yung tour
like
guide?
one more often a girl, and then an older one.
Ito yung kanyang likod, mahaba. Yan.
Their task was
Mataas po to.
anything unauthorized.
Mataas po ito.
My task was to slip away from them to try to take a peek at something genuine.
Ayan o. Yan yung taas ng simbahan.
I underestimated the surveillance.
Dito ka kung saan magpe-pray sa mga kandila. Si Sindika.
There were dozens of unannounced ones.
Iba po yung prayer dito po.
Tago lang yung ano niya pa.
So here's a guy sitting in the
Ito po yung loob. Yan. Guys, yung kanina ko pong pinakita. Ito po yung mga paintings. San Lorenzo Ruiz. Tapos ito po ay
Yung feeling din siya. Baga,
Holy Spirit, Santa Teresa. At yun ay Santa Teresa.
on filming and filming though. I mean, he doesn't move the phone from us at all. He's still
Nakatutok.
Yung red talaga ay Santa Teresa. At yung orange, Holy Spirit.
Iron Man with iron hands. He's continued
Hindi
filming
niya
us throughout
ginagawa
the show.
May Jubilee Christ po dito, guys. Pag nagpipreach yung pari, it means wala yung choir. Walang choir dito. Hindi pwede muna mag-choir dito. Dahil, kasi po, puro misa lang po dito. Hindi po choirs. Alam nyo ba yung last ko pong pinost na church at chapel?
Suot na yun.
Isa na rin din pong church ito.
Liver na ano.
Guys.
Pakaigpit na kami tayo.
Tulog sa kanila.
Let's continue.
Internet.
All right, you guys.
Yan guys. Labas muna tayo.
Watching this.
Archdiocese.
Ano siya, yung...
Archdiocese Church po ito.
Ano yan, body cam?
Yan.
Meron nga dito sa bag mo.
Iba Iba-iba po yung prayer. Tignan nyo.
Seconds, this one too. He's pretending to have lost.
English.
Oh, pero binabantayan siya.
Check
Ayun o,
this out.
ayun o, sa bag na yun o.
Ay, oo, may body ano nga. body
Yan
ano
yun.
siya. Maliban sa cellphone niya.
Then, dito po yung bahay ko.
Yan.
Nasa bundok lang po.
Sa kanya yun.
Dahil taga-bundok po kami.
Surveillance nga siya. Totally surveillance.
Zoo.
Ito bahay ko po.
Here's a woman in a brown jacket, as if she's looking at the animals.
Dito ko nagpapahinga.
Is admiring the photos and the great.
Tuwing early morning ng Sunday, sumisimba ako.
And they're not watching.
Yan, early morning po ako.
Pretending that I want to take another look at the animals that I passed.
Ano, nagkakamera kasi
Those
siya.
turtles, they're just.
Magpasyal muna po tayo sa boat.
If everyone
Hi, Salmon!
Andun pa rin nila.
do they come back?
Andun pa din.
Ay, doon muna po tayo sa Dolphin Island. Meron po dyan.
Who do I see?
Tabi ng simbahan po.
Three, calling someone. But after seeing me, he hangs up and pretends to just be walking. And here's our number 5.
Ito ang babae.
Decided to hang back.
Dito dadaan.
Dami nila, di
Go
ba?
ahead, stand inside another zoo
Yan
pavilion.
yung loob. Kasi ito yung simbahan.
And here is number 3 and number 5. They enter
Si
together,
number
even
3 at si
chatting
number
now.
5.
When exactly did they get so
Tinanggal niya yung jacket
And
mo.
20 seconds later, number 1 comes in and approaches these two guys. And
Pwede pumasok ang mga animals dito eh, sa gate lang.
this couple also.
Hindi dapat sa pintuan.
And numbers 3 and 5, they try to keep
Galing nila, puntahan sila doon. Dito yung Dolphin Island oh.
Di ba, turista kasi kasama nila o.
I've supposedly stopped to talk, but I just wanted to film those who are following us. So look, 3 and 5 are walking together.
Tara, mag-weapon muna tayo.
The gray-haired one tells his companion to back
Wag
away,
pala,
and she
gawa
does,
pala to ni
while
God.
he continues walking along as if nothing happened.
The lips are so, silky, velvety.
By the way, Pyongyang has a really nice zoo with an ocean area. Note that some people are
Parang ano
filming
may
on
Ocean Park.
smartphones. In North Korea, residents can film.
Ito yung Dolphin Island or Mindoro's Island.
Papa, Ocean Park!
And not
Ay,
everyone
Ocean
here
Park.
is
Alis
Oh.
na tayo ng Manila. Di tayo naka...
Oo nga.
ng Ocean
many with children.
Dolphin
Sa
Island.
birthday ko na lang papa.
Pero, dun sa taas. Ang daming ocean park din.
There, check it out. Look.
Puristaan yun. Palengke.
Pa, sa birthday ko.
It's incredible.
Lalakit ka pa doon.
Oo, dyan lang sa may unahan, sa may Manolita Park yun.
Mga gusto ko pumunta sa Luneta.
Kung mag-taxi, mabilis lang.
Mama, gusto ko magluneta.
Why
Ha?
people
Di ba ako nakakita ng reel? Ito yung Dolphin Island.
Ano, patay yung ano dun, yung
Saan patay? Grabe ka.
ano dun.
Just taking a casual stroll.
Dahil ano, at least sa
Nobody
pagyo.
knows them. We already recognize their faces and pretty much get it.
Yan guys, so yan yung nasirang ship.
It's very fun.
Ayan po. Ito po yung nasirang ship. Malapit lang po sa simbahan. Dahil po 1509 pa yan nasira.
involving us and pretending to just talk to each other?
Yan.
You know, I wonder if I could stand
So guys, that's our end of the video. If you hope my church is good, please like and subscribe.
curiosity, but I make sure
Guys, may importanteng message lang ako. Wala na nagsisubscribe sa akin. Ang hina.
them